So you just had breakfast, but you're demanding a treat. And you're chasing me down for it because you keep coming after me. It's a little intimidating. I'll be honest. Oh, look at that. That treat's gone. Do you want your treat? What's up, Camille? Camille, what's going on? So you want a treat? Okay. But I want to be sure. You want a treat? Oh, you're pretty. Hi, Camille. Okay. I'm gonna go in the treat bin. What do I do with them? Here they are. So you want carnivore crunch? Is that it? Is that what you want? You just cocked your head. I haven't seen you do that in a long time. Okay, now you've barked yourself into a stupor. You want this too? Do you want this, Camille? You sit? That's a good sit. Let's do Augie first, because she really earned it. One more. We'll hide that one. You go get it, Camille. We'll hide it. I'm going to hide them for you. Okay? You going to stay? Stay. Stay. Nope. Stay. Oh, I can't do. Ow! Oh, my finger. One more, but I can't risk my finger. It's right here. Nope, no, Camille. Come on, Alex. You can find it. Yeah. Yeah, you got it. Yay.